Having been with Hudson RPO for 10 years now, I don't think that you stick with an organisation unless you have an extraordinary career. So from starting out as an on-site manager, moving into marketing and brand, and being with a leadership team that is constantly looking at how we do things differently. I think that if you are looking for an extraordinary career, this is the place to be, and we do it so well. So whether you're looking for a long-term career or whether you're looking to be with an organisation that's really going to develop you over a period of time, then I just wouldn't want to be anywhere else. To make it to this prestigious award and event, you need to have been chosen out of over 450 nominations and more than 60 finalists. So a huge well done, everybody, for making it this far.
This is a tradition that has been happening for more than 35 years since we started.
We're a collection of individuals, but we're a team. What makes us special is that many of us come from different backgrounds, we have different experiences, we bring different ideas.
So I've been with Hudson RPO now for long enough to see the business transform. It's an amazing business with a small business feel to it. They are approachable. They are genuine, hospitable, down-to-earth people who do care about their clients, but also about the people that work for them.
The leadership team and I did decide that we would award the 5 people we thought were most deserving.
Our winner's Renee Reid.
AstraZeneca.
This award, the winners are GSK China.
Kathy Ann May.
It's Macquarie Team Hong Kong.